Step 1 of muscle contraction is a nerve impulse travels to the neuromuscular junction on the muscular cell. The neuromuscular junction is the point where the ions of the nerve meet with the muscular cells. Step 2 of the muscle contraction is the action is released from the axon to receptors located on the sarcolemma, the elastic cover of the striated muscular fiber. Step 3 of the muscle contraction is the binding action causes depolarization of the sarcolemma by opening ion channels and allowing sodium ions into the muscle cell. Step 4 is the sodium ions diffuse into the muscle fiber and depolarization occurs. Depolarization is the membrane potentially rapidly shifts from negative to positive. Step 5, depolarization creates a wave of action potential electric current across the sarcolemma. Step 6 is the action potential travel across the sarcolemma and down the T tubules, which triggers the sarcoplasmic reticulum SR to release calcium. Step 7. As the calcium level rises, calcium ions bond with troponin, which removes the blocking action of trypomyosin from the actin binding sites. Step 8. Myosin is now ready to bind with the actin and form cross bridges, which begin the contraction process. Step 9. In order to contract, ATP binds to the myosin. Step 10. ATP is then broken down to ATP and pi, which gives the myosin the energy to conk its head to the high energy position. Step 10. The ATP is then broken down to ADP and pi, which gives the myosin the energy to lean its head to the high energy position. Step 11. Actin and myosin bind together to form a cross bridge. Step 12. The myosin heads then pull the actin filaments inwards and release the ADP and pi and return to a low energy position.